Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this cute piano skirt on Dress to Impress. Yes, unfortunately, you do need VIP for this, but it's super simple to recreate. You only need 2 items. I'm just going to remove the items first so I can show you guys what you need. First, you'll need this dress. I'm just going to color the first color black, and then you can color the second one anything you want. I'm going to just do this color, and then I'll do white for the rest. Then for the other part of the skirt, you'll need to go outside of VIP and grab this skirt. Then you're going to color the first color white, the second one any color that you want. I'm just going to color it black, and then the last one color it white again. And here you go, you have your piano skirt. I am so dreaming of this skirt. Like I saw this on TikTok a few weeks ago, and somehow I couldn't find the link to purchase it, and I was so sad. So yeah, this is the piano skirt. I love it so much. I wish this existed where I live in real life. I'm sure it does somewhere, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!